Do you want to capture the beauty of water reflections and the magnificent sea with watercolor? If so, I invite you to join my class. Hi, my name is Alexandrina and I'm a watercolor artist with over 10 years of painting practice. I invite you to explore this beautiful world of watercolor with me. We will start by going over the essential art materials and color mixes, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. I will show you main color mixes we will create by using just 4 colors. Next, we'll dive into practicing the main techniques for painting water reflections, including wet on wet and wet on dry methods. These techniques will help you create realistic and captivating reflections on the water. Once we've mastered the basics, we'll move on to our main class project. We'll begin by drawing a simple sketch of a boat in the sea. Then we'll bring our sketch to life with vibrant watercolors using just 4 paints. Whether you are a total beginner or have some experience with watercolors, this class is designed to be engaging and accessible for everyone. By the end of this class, you will have a beautiful watercolor painting of a boat and water reflections to showcase your new skills. Please don't forget to submit your painting to the class project section and leave a review. It will help me to improve my future classes and for other students to understand if this class is a good fit for them. Grab your brushes and I hope to see you in the class.